Hola amigos! Welcome to Everyday Spanish with Stephanie. Today, we're kicking off a really exciting series going over Essential Spanish Adverbs. In this video, we're going to go over 33 of the 100 Essential Spanish Adverbs. These words are going to help you add color, depth, and precision to your Spanish expressions. Are you ready to get started? Empecemos. Adverbs are the spice of language. They modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs, helping you express when, where, how, and to what extent actions occur. Mastering adverbs is really going to help make your Spanish more natural and expressive. Now, 33 adverbs might seem like a lot, but don't worry, we're going to tackle them in small groups, practice them in context, and before you know it, you'll be using adverbs like a native speaker. Before we dive in, let's quickly cover what adverbs are in Spanish. They're words that typically help answer cómo, how, cuándo, when, dónde, where, and hasta qué punto, to what extent. Many adverbs in Spanish are formed by adding the suffix mente to the end of the feminine adjective. For example, rápido, change it to feminine, rápida, add mente, rápidamente. Claro changes to clara, add mente, and we have claramente. Well, don't worry, we're also going to learn a few adverbs that don't follow this pattern. Let's get started. All right, let's go over the first 15 of 33 adverbs. You'll notice that the first 13 of these aren't going to follow the pattern that we just discussed. First, we have bien, which means well. Ejemplo, hablo español bien. I speak Spanish well. Mal is the adjective badly or poorly. Por ejemplo, el equipo jugó mal. The team played poorly. Mucho means a lot. Estudio español mucho. I study Spanish a lot. Poco is a little. Como poco porque no tengo hambre. I eat a little because I'm not hungry. Muy is very. Ejemplo, la película es muy interesante. The movie is very interesting. Siempre means always. Siempre llego tarde a mi clase. I always arrive late to my class. Nunca. Nunca means never. Nunca he estado en España. I have never been to Spain. A veces means sometimes. Ejemplo, a veces voy al cine los fines de semana. Sometimes I go to the movies on the weekend. Ahora means now. Estoy ocupada ahora. I'm busy now. Después means after or later. Hablaremos después de la reunión. We will talk after the meeting. Antes means before. Siempre como antes de hacer ejercicios. I always eat before exercising. Tarde means late. Llegué tarde al trabajo hoy. I arrived to work late today. Temprano means early. Siempre me levanto temprano. I always wake up early. Me despierto temprano todas las mañanas. I wake up early every morning. Rápidamente means quickly. Por ejemplo, el tren mueve rápidamente. The train moves quickly. Lentamente means slowly. Por ejemplo, camino lentamente por el parque. I walk slowly through the park. Before we continue on with our next set of adverbs, let me tell you about a fantastic resource that can help you with these adverbs and much more. It's called the Unacademy Languages app, and it's a game changer for Spanish learners. The Unacademy Languages app offers interactive lessons focused on essential adverbs, practice exercises to help you master these adverbs in different contexts, native speaker audio so you can perfect that pronunciation, and also personalized learning paths that adapt to your progress. To give it a try, just click in the description below. Now, let's get back to our adverbs. All right, number 16. We have aquí, which means here. Por ejemplo, deja las llaves aquí. Leave the keys here. Ahí means there. Por ejemplo, deja el libro ahí. Leave the book there. Cerca is near. Vivo cerca de la universidad. I live near the university. Lejos means far. Por ejemplo, mi oficina es lejos de mi casa. My office is far from my house. Despacio means slowly. Por ejemplo, por favor, habla despacio. Please speak slowly. Casi means almost. Casi termino mi tarea. I've almost finished my homework. Solamente means only. Por ejemplo, solamente quiero un café. I only want a coffee. También means also. Yo también hablo español. I also speak Spanish. Todavía is still. Todavía estoy aprendiendo español. I'm still learning Spanish. Ya means already. For example, ya he terminado mi tarea. I've already finished my homework. Así means like this or in this way. For example, hazlo así. Do it this way. Quizás means maybe. Quizás vaya a la fiesta. Maybe he's going to the party. Tal vez means perhaps. Por ejemplo, tal vez llueva mañana. Maybe it will rain tomorrow. Next, we have bastante. This means quite or rather. So, por ejemplo, el examen es bastante difícil. This test is quite difficult. Demasiado means too much. Por ejemplo, comes demasiado chocolate. You eat too much chocolate. Suficiente means enough. Ya he estudiado suficiente hoy. I've studied enough today. Absolutamente means absolutely. Estoy absolutamente segura. I'm absolutely sure. And number 33, probablemente. This one means probably. Por ejemplo, probablemente iré a la playa mañana. I'll probably go to the beach tomorrow. Congratulations, amigos! We've covered our first 33 of 100 essential Spanish adverbs. And here are some tips to help you master these adverbs. Practice daily. Try to use at least 5 new adverbs in your Spanish conversations or writing. Number 2, create flashcards. Put the Spanish adverb on one side and then an example sentence on the back. Listen for adverbs. When watching Spanish TV or listening to Spanish music, try to identify Spanish adverbs and what they mean as you listen. Write some example sentences. For each adverb that we covered, go and write 3 sentences using those adverbs. And there you have it, amigos, our first 33 essential Spanish adverbs. Remember, mastering these adverbs is going to take time and practice, but with these powerful words, you'll be able to make your Spanish more natural and expressive. Don't forget to check out the Unacademy Languages app for more help with these Spanish adverbs and other Spanish concepts. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Spanish learning tips and tricks. Share your thoughts and experiences with essential Spanish adverbs below in the comments. Remember, la práctica hace el maestro. Practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, keep learning, and soon you'll be using these Spanish adverbs like a pro. Stay tuned for our next video where we continue our journey with essential Spanish adverbs. Hasta la próxima!